In this video, I will show you how to download and install Synfig in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Synfig software without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to search Synfig download in search bar. When you search Synfig download in search bar, here you'll find Synfig free and open search animation software. Click this link. When you click this link, here you will reach Synfig open source 2D animation software for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. You have to click download option. When you click download option, here you'll find Windows 64-bit installer. If you want to download for 64-bit, click this link. If you want to download 32-bit, click this link, and you can find other link for other operating system. We are clicking this link. And here, for downloading Synfig Studio in Windows 11, firstly you have to choose which link you want to download. Here I am choosing 64-bit. After choosing 64-bit, here you have to name of your price. You have to give 0. When you enter 0, then you click purchase again. I have already purchased. You have to give here 0. When you click this, you have to again click here. When you click here, this interface will come. Again you have to click here, enter here 0. When you click here enter 0, then you have to click get. When you click get, here you have to choose, and after choosing this, you have to click next. After this, here you can see I have already paid. We have already paid for this product. It has been emailed to you. It means we have already downloaded it. If you are doing this first time, one link will become download file. You have to click this link. Here one link will become. When you click this link, your file will be downloaded. And here you can see our file is downloaded, just like I tell you. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going download folder. And here you can see Synfig Studio. Now for installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open, you have to click yes. Then I agree. Then next. Then install. Now our file is installing. We have to wait for some time. Then we will open it and we will use it. And here you can see Synfig Studio logo. It means we have downloaded it and installed it. When you click close and when you right click on it, then click open, Synfig Studio will be open. I hope this video help you. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box.